So as you can clearly see, my truck is in dire need of some new taillights. So I'm going to be installing this. I think that's going to look really good, and I will show you as I'm doing it, because it's a little bit different than this old light, so we'll see how it does. Alright, it's really windy out, but even though this is a star fitting, my 1/8 Allen wrench works, which, I don't know, whatever. I'm not going to fuck with it. So I'm going to pop my light off, and then put my new one on, and I'll show you that. Just pop it off, don't pull it or break it. You don't want to break those tabs. Alright, once you have your light bulbs on, just leave this all connected. Don't unhook it. Just leave it connected. Here's your reverse. And here's your, your brake lights, everything. I'm going to clean probably back in here, or, yeah, probably back in there, because I got this double-sided here. Alright, so I went ahead and I've completely cleaned this, and I basically just wiped everything out, got all the dirt. Since I'm putting new lights on, I figure I might as well have it as clean as possible so they stay cleaner. Alright, I'm gonna install it, and I'll show you. I'm gonna hook my clips up in just a sec. Let me get the light. Alright, so I've got my light plugged in. I just clipped it in. Okay, just clip it right in. And I just stuck that right here. It's a little crooked, but oh well. And now I'm going to just do the same thing with my reverse light and plug that in. Here is what it looks like now. Clearly before, which was, my wife likes fences, to this. Just, damn. And I like it because it's all black, and I got the black and red theme going on the truck, so this is really nice. Really, really nice. Again, I'm supposed to be using a star fitting, but my 1/8 Allen wrench works just fine, so that's what I keep using. There's, if it works, right? I do have star fittings, but I really don't care if this works. I'm not going to sit here and dig it out when this is doing the trick just fine. Once I have those two bolts out, you don't sit here and yank it to the right. Don't frickin' do that. Just pull straight back towards you. So once I pulled it off, I literally just took my lights out. Still hooked up here. You're just going to pull your bulb out, and then hook your running lights up, and then hook your reverse light up. So I'm going to do the same thing as I did over there. I'm going to clean this all out really good, and then stick that piece right here, and go from there. As you can see, I'm missing a clip, which that sucks, so I may have to do something about that. Alright, I went ahead and got it all cleaned up now. That's just me. You don't have to do that. The only thing you really got to do is just clean that to stick your double-sided on. But like I said, I'm putting new lights on, so I want this to look as clean as possible for my new lights. So I'll get to installing that next, but I think I'm going to go to O'Reilly's and buy me another clip, because I'm not about to have only one clip on my new light. Alright, I'm not going to lie, it's pretty embarrassing. I went to the store to buy clips from O'Reilly's, and in the box that I, covered up with everything, there's a clips I need. So now I'm taking this light back out just to put this on. Stupid. Alright, so I'm going to pull my bulbs out real quick. Alright, with the bulbs out, here's where it is. This is where I'm going to hook my top one up and my reverse one. And I'm going to stick that piece right here. Alright, once you have your lights hooked in, just put them back in the housing like so. So it's just like your other light, and then just hook it up. Alright, and there's what they look like, all new. That's one hell of a before and after, so definitely matches the front because I have tinted headlights in the front. It looks good.